talk about metamorphosis. Do you know that ladybugs metamorphosize? No? Do you know that butterflies metamorphosize? Yeah? You knew that, right?
Yes.
What's a butterfly's life cycle? Do you remember?
It starts with an egg on a leaf, and when it hatches, a caterpillar comes out. And then something very strange happens. It kind of eats a lot, and then when he's so fat and he can't eat anymore, he turns fat. Very, very fat, and then
what happens?
And then he makes a small cocoon called chrysalis.
Yeah. And then he stays in there for a while, right?
He stays in there for a while.
And then what happens?
And when he comes out, he turns into a beautiful butterfly.
A beautiful butterfly. So, Lily, do you know how a ladybug grows?
Yes.
How does it grow?
The way butterflies do it.
The same way butterflies do
Yeah,
it?
they just make a little chrysalis, and then when they come out, they turn into an adult ladybug.
You are right. What's before the chrysalis?
It is a baby.
A babe.
And then when it's all ready, it can get out of its chrysalis, and then it can turn, voila!
Voila!
Into a beautiful grown-up ladybug.
Oh, so cool. So a ladybug, is it called metamorphosis?
Yes, it's called metamorphosis.
That's right. You know there's two kinds of metamorphosis.
No, I do not know.
There's complete metamorphosis, which is also called homometabolism.
Homometabolism? What's that?
That is complete metamorphosis. Whoops, with 4 stages, which is what butterflies and ladybugs do. Do you want to see what a ladybug egg looks like?
Yes, please.
Here's a ladybug laying her eggs.
Whoa.
What color are they?
Yellow.
Yeah, they're kind of yellow. And what kind of shape are they?
An oval.
Yeah, they're kind of like little yellow ovals, right? Okay, what about that?
Oh, those are baby bees?
No, those are baby ladybugs
Ooh.
coming out of the eggs. There's another ladybug laying her eggs. Isn't that cool? Now, that is the baby ladybug.
Wait, that kind of looks more like a bug.
It looks like another bug. Well, it's the ladybug larva. The first stage of complete metamorphosis is the egg and then larva. A butterfly's caterpillar is a larva of the butterfly. This is the larva of the ladybug. I think it looks like a little alligator.
Me too.
Or like the things of nightmares. There's another one. Ladybug larvae are really, really hungry. And you know what they eat?
What?
What do you think? Take a guess.
Bugs?
Yes. Ladybug larvae eat the same thing that adult ladybugs eat. Aphids and mites and thrips and all kinds of other little tiny bugs. Pretty much anything it can get its mouth on. That's the ladybug larva, right? Okay. That's another one. It's eating an aphid. Nom nom nom!
Oh yeah, that one.
Okay. Now, that's the larva. That's its pupa, the chrysalis. What do you think of that? Do you know that a lot of people don't know what ladybugs look like before they are adults? And so they'd see these things, they'd see the larva and the pupa, and they'd think it's a pest trying to eat something in their garden, and they'll kill it. So that's why I want to tell people what the ladybugs look like in the different stages. Slow down, slow down. That's what it usually looks like right here. It's like orange and black. It's the same color.
Wait a minute. Are those its baby eyes?
I think. I don't know if that's the front or the back, actually. See, here's the whole life cycle. Eggs, larva, pupa, adult, just like a butterfly. It's one image, honey. There's the larva, there's the pupa, there's the adult. And there's even in between. Little larva, bigger larva, the larva gets bigger, then it sticks its butt to a leaf and pupates. That's where it makes that chrysalis. And then the pupa hatches and becomes an adult. And you just like to zoom in on things. Yeah. Do you remember what makes what it has to have to be an insect?
These are its eating things. Eyes, legs.
How many body parts does an insect have?
Well, this is 1, 2. It has 2.
An insect has 3.
Yeah, but this one has 2.
It actually does have 3. Hold on. Right up here. It's not zooming in. Right up here is the head. Okay.
Oh, that's the head?
This is the thorax, but it's a specialized thorax with a thing on top called a pronotum. Okay?
Mom?
A pronotum is a cover that covers part of the head
Guess
and it
what?
covers the front of the wings. Okay, let's finish this real quick. Okay, so we have the head, we have the thorax, and we have the abdomen, right?
Bye-bye.
But the abdomen is under the wings, which are under a special cover called an elytra. That's what the red part is that you actually see. Okay.